Good morning, students. In this video, we will see that how a binary number comprising of 0 and 1. It has only two numbers. In binary system, we know only two numbers, 0 and 1. It has the base 2, the 2 base, because there are two numbers. In decimal system, we have 9 different numbers. I mean it is there are 10 numbers, 0 to 9. So the base of decimal system is 10. Now the question is that in case of a decimal number, suppose 0, we write equivalent binary number as 0. It is very clear. Decimal equivalent of 0 of binary is 0 and 1 is 1, because in the both systems there are zeros and ones. Now the question is that with the help of this what technique we can represent the number 2 of decimal by binary, because binary has only two numbers, 0 and 1. We have to represent the number 2 of decimal into binary. Is it possible? Let us check. How can we write that in this video? Now, in case of decimal numbers, what do we see? That after 2 there comes 3 and so on. After completion of all numbers ending with 9, that is in decimal 0 to 9 all the numbers, here comes 10. But why it comes? Because in the unit position we put 0 and in the 10th position we put 1. Okay, why we put 0? Because all the digits 0 to 1 to 9 has been put here, so there is no place left, so we put 0 here and put 1 here. Okay, now see this. All the numbers of binary 0 and 1 are completed. So what can we do? We should put a 0 first. Okay, we should put a 0 here, 0, and put 1 here. Okay, it is very clear. So equivalent number of decimal 2 in binary is 10. Now what is the value of 3? We can, in the unit place, we can put 1, because there is 1 in the system only, so the number will be 1 1. Now the question is that what will be 4 in binary? Now proceeding in this manner in decimal number system, we find after 99 the unit place has got the maximum and the 10th place has also got the maximum. Oh, here comes 0 0 and 1 is put in the 100 place. Clear? So this will be 0 and 1 will come in the 100 place. So in binary also there are two ones, so all the positions have got their maximum, so we'll put 0 0 and here will be 1. It is clear? So 4 in decimal will be 100 in binary. Now the question is, what will be 5, 6? Let us write here. What will be 5 in decimal? Okay. So 1 0 and we can put here 1. 1 0 we can put here 1. Okay. So that will be 5. Now this is completed. So 6 will be, here will come 0, here will come 1. Is it clear? It is 0, then 1 will come here, and this is, there is already 1. Now it will be very clear if you go to 7. Here is 0, you can put here 1. There are two ones already there. If you for 8, all the digits has been 1, like 999 in decimal. What is the next number? 1000 in decimal. It is clear. The next number of 999 is 1000. All are 0 and left 1 in the left side. So here will be 8 for decimal will be 100 in binary. Okay, this is the simple introduction how we can logically find the equivalent binary number to a given decimal number. Okay, I repeat once again, 0 1 maximum number added, so put 0 here and 1 comes here. Here maximum number has not added, so you can put 1 here and 1 is already there. So here 9911 has come, so we'll put 001, and next we'll take the unit place, so that will be 101, this will be 0, this will be 1, because we can put 1 here. This has got the maximum, that is 7 has got maximum, so in case of 8, 1 0 0 0. This is very clear, but we have to find a good way to find any equivalent number of any given decimal number. Like if you are given a number 597 in decimal, it is right like that. 597 in decimal is what number in binary? It is like that. 2 is for base of binary numbers, because there are two numbers 0 and 1. 10 is for base of decimal number. If there is 10 in any system like that, you will find that this number is given in 597 given in decimal form, and if 2 is given, you are asked to find the binary number equivalent to this decimal number. So let us see in the next video what can we how can we find the binary equivalent of any given decimal number. Thank you for visiting this.